Right, I'll give an update on this the old cheapo shredder. I'll try not to kick this tripod. Been using this for a while. It's really good, but you need at least two at different angles. The sharp one for the smaller one and the wider for the bigger ones. What I do is these leaves need to be quite damp. I mean, dry doesn't work. So if you go in the wider one, some of these will fail, but never mind. You can get the idea. And just do short strokes until you get it down a bit, and then go to the skinnier one. And it'll come off pretty good. Try to keep the stem pointing up. That's sort of the whole secret to this being a success, is to keep the stem pointing up. There's a bit left on there, and you'll get that. You'll break the odd little bit. I just peel them off by hand. Get a small one like this. Just start it off, and then go straight to the little one. Just little strokes, and quite fast, and they'll come out. You'll find you get little bits stuck up in there that you have to get rid of. Find another big leaf. Here's one. So start them off. So you get that bit off of there. Go on the wider one. Until you get down a bit. Tripod's in the way. And then work on the sharper angle. It's pretty good when you get used to it, and there's another little bit stuck on there. A lot of this, even this little bit here, won't do much. Just pull it out. So there's another smaller one. I've sort of changed my flue curing temperature. These haven't been hotter than 48, so I'll just see how they go. I smoked one and it looked okay. So once I roll some smokes out of this, I'll see whether the 48 works. If it doesn't work, there's a bit of a trick here. Is let it dry out, and if it won't burn properly, just let it dry out, and then heat the dry tobacco to about, well, 52.8, I guess, is the golden temperature. But as you can see, this is quite good. So far I found this the easiest way. I mean, if you people have got a better way, let me know. But they've got to be, they can't be dry. If they're dry, they'll just crumble up on you. Start off on the bigger one. Then go to the smaller one. I've hardly ever used that. It does work, but I mean, you just got to play with the angles. Get a bit of sheet metal and chop a few angles, and you'll soon find out which one works the best for you. These were basically just a guess. My prototype, and I've been using it ever since, and they're good. So that's about it. You finish up with a lot of leaf quite quickly, and so far this has been the easiest way I've found of stripping the stems out. Alright, bye.